Good morning, dear students. Everybody is staying home and everybody are fine. I think everybody is staying home and everybody are fine. So today we discuss lesson number 0 because somebody has some problem, not understand properly, and some miss the class or some not pronounce properly or not download this lesson. So today at first discuss or revise the lesson. One by one I have to revise the lesson. So today we discuss revision lesson number 0. Okay? So everybody open page number 5. Everybody open page number 5. Bring your book and copy both. Bring your copy and book both. Bring it. Okay, now put the date. Open your copy and write the date. Today's date is 14th July 2020. Subject French. Today topic revision lesson 0. So everybody puts the date, subject, topic, everybody write it in your copy. Now open your book, page number 5. Revision lesson. Whatever we discussed before this period, we have to stop that. And now start today the revised chapter. Okay? So everybody open your page number 5. So after the class, whatever we discussed today, we have to give a picture and snapshot and send it by homework assignment tab. You have to see the homework assignment tab. Okay? So everybody open page number 5. Open it. Now see the board properly. I have to write the board. You have to see the board properly. I think everybody see the board properly. Lesson 0. Here is right. Exercise 1. Vous connaissez la France? That means, do you know the France? Relieve a column. Relieve, that means matching the column. Left part, right part. Left part, 6 topic. Right part, 6 topic. At first you have to write it. At first I pronounce the French word, left part and right part. Then I give the English form. Then you have to matching it. Okay? Left part, number 1, France. Everybody know the France. Le drapeau français. Le drapeau français. 2. Le drapeau français. Le drapeau français, that means the French flag. Le drapeau français. That means the French flag. I repeat again. Le drapeau français. That means the French flag. Number 3. Un monument en fer. Un monument en fer. A important monument in France. A important monument in France or a monument of France. A monument of France. Number 4. Le Louvre. Le Louvre. The famous museum in France. Le Louvre. That means the famous museum. That is name is Louvre. Louvre Museum. Musée de Louvre. Le Louvre. That means the museum in France. 5. Le 14 juillet. Le 14 juillet. That means 14th July. 14th July is the famous day in France. That is also the national festival in France. Because in 14th July, that is very important day in France, the national festival in France, that is le 14 juillet, that is 14th July. And number 6, Notre Dame, the famous Catholic church in France. Notre Dame. Notre Dame is a famous Catholic church in France. So at first write the left column. Then I discuss the right column. I again repeat. Number 1, France. Number 2, le drapeau français. Le drapeau français, that is the French flag. Number 3, un monument en fer. Un monument en fer, that means a famous monument in France. A famous monument in France. Number 4, le Louvre. Le Louvre, the famous museum in France. Le Louvre. Le 14 juillet. Le 14 juillet, that means 14th July, the famous day in France, then 14th July, also the festival day in France. And number 6, Notre Dame. Notre Dame is the famous church in France, the famous Catholic church in France. Okay? Now left part complete, the right part. A, un musée. Un musée, that means a museum. Un musée, that means a museum. I repeat again, un musée, that means a museum. B, une église. Une église. Église means church. A church. Une église, that means a church. Une église, that means a church. C, l'hexagone. L'hexagone, that means the synonym of France. L'hexagone, or the some place in France. L'hexagone. Number D, bleu, blanc, rouge, that means color. Bleu means blue, blanc means white, and rouge, rouge means red. Bleu, blanc, rouge. Blue, white, red. E, La Tour Eiffel. La Tour Eiffel. La Tour Eiffel, that means the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower. Next one, La Fête Nationale, the national festival. F, La Fête Nationale, that means the national festival. Write it. Then I matching. I again repeat, France means France. Le drapeau français, the French flag. A monument fair, that means a famous monument in France. Le Louvre, that means a Louvre museum. Le 14 juillet, that means 14th July. And Notre Dame, that means the famous Catholic church. A, right part. Musée, that means museum. Une église, that means a church. L'hexagone, the another name of France. Bleu, blanc, rouge, that means color. Bleu means blue, blanc means white, rouge means red. La Tour Eiffel, the Eiffel Tower. La Fête Nationale, the national festival. Okay, so France, number 1 France, that is matching. C, l'hexagone. Ok. Le drapeau français. D. Un monument en fer. Okay, I write it. I write it, you have to write in the copy. France, that means Lexazone. C. Lexazone. Okay. Number 2, le drapeau français. Le drapeau français. D. Bleu, blanc, rouge. Bleu, blanc, rouge. Number 3, un monument à faire. Un monument à faire. E. La Tour Eiffel. La Tour Eiffel. Okay. Number 4, Louvre. Un musée. Un musée. Juillet. F. La fête nationale. La fête nationale. La fête nationale. Notre-Dame. B. In English. English means church. Now write it. Now write it. I think everybody complete that. So today we start again exercise number 2. Exercise number 1 complete. Today we discuss also exercise number 2. Exercise 1 and exercise 2. I think everybody write it. Okay, I erase it. Exercise 2. Regarde l'image et nommez-le. Look at the picture and write the name. Exercise 2. Regarde l'image. Regarde les images et nommez-les. Nommez-les. Look at the picture and write their names. Look at the pictures and write their names. Write the names. Number 1. Musée. Un musée de Louvre. Un musée de Louvre. Number 2. Franc. That means the money of France. And number 3, La Tour Eiffel. La Tour Eiffel. La Tour Eiffel. Write it. Number 1, a Musée de Louvre, the French museum, the famous museum, Louvre Museum. Number 2, franc. Franc means the the French money. And number 3, La Tour Eiffel, the Eiffel Tower, the famous Eiffel Tower. Okay? So today we discussed these two topics. Today we discussed the two topics. If you any problem, any doubt, again you have to send it by the communicate the teacher app by tell me I have to rectify your problem. I again tell you, if you any problem, any doubt, no hesitate. Just tell me by the communicate by the teacher app. I have to rectify your problem. Okay? And I also send it by the whatever we discuss in the board or in this lesson. I have to send it by the snapshot, by homework assignment app. Till then, bye bye.